Welcome to the three-part series I'm calling My Head is in the Clouds. It started out as most of my favorite rides do, before the sun comes up. After getting no gas for free,
Okay, that had to do us 0 gallons, $0.
we got in the way of a cannonball run, squinted in the sun and talked about, got all misty in the clouds, approximated size with chicks and pickup trucks, attempted first contact,
No!
provided helpful tips to new riders,
That was a sloppy turn there. Turn. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, drive. Focus.
and then got lost in the sticks. So grab an age-inappropriate beverage and give it a watch. If you regret it, I promise that I won't care. I got music and pretty pictures.
Hey kid,